Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world, and the workplace is no exception. AI is already being used to automate many tasks that were once done by humans, and this trend is only going to continue in the future. This raises the question of how AI will impact the future of work. Some experts believe that AI will lead to mass unemployment, as machines take over more and more jobs. Others believe that AI will create jobs, as it opens up new opportunities for businesses and industries. It is likely that both of these predictions will be true to some extent. AI will certainly lead to some job losses, but it will also create new jobs. The key will be to ensure that workers are prepared for the changes that AI will bring. There are several ways that AI is likely to impact the future of work. The first one, and probably the most obvious and already applicable way, is task automation. AI is already being used to automate tasks that were once done by humans. In customer service, AI is being used to automate tasks such as answering questions, resolving issues, and providing support. For example, AI-powered chatbots can now answer customer questions 24/7, without the need for human intervention. In the medical field, AI is being used to automate medical diagnosis tasks such as reading X-rays, interpreting lab results, and identifying diseases. For example, AI-powered tools can now detect cancer with a higher accuracy than human doctors. In data entry, AI is being used to transcribe documents, extract data from spreadsheets, and tag images. These tools can now transcribe audio and video files with near-human accuracy. In the manufacturing industry, it's being used for things such as assembling products, inspecting products, and controlling robots. It can now assemble products with greater precision and speed than human workers. In the finance industry, AI is being used to automate tasks such as trading stocks, managing investments, and assessing risk. These tools can now trade stocks with greater speed and accuracy than human traders. The second way AI is likely to impact the future of work is through the creation of new jobs. This is because AI will open up new opportunities for businesses and industries. For example, AI could be used to develop new products and services or improve the efficiency of existing processes. This could lead to the creation of new jobs in areas such as software development, AI research, and customer service. AI is a rapidly developing field, and there is high demand for researchers and developers. These professionals will be responsible for developing new algorithms and applications. Furthermore, as AI becomes more widespread, it is likely to lead to the creation of new businesses that are powered by AI. These businesses could develop new products and services, or they could improve the efficiency of existing businesses. As a result of these new businesses, AI is likely to create new jobs that require specialized skills. These jobs could include AI engineers, AI data scientists, and AI ethic experts. The third, and certainly not final way that AI is likely to impact the future of work is through changes in skills and education requirements. This is because AI will automate many tasks that currently require human skills. As a result, workers will need to be able to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies in order to remain competitive. As AI becomes more widespread, there will be an increased demand for skills. This includes skills in programming, data science, and machine learning. AI is also likely to automate many routine tasks that are currently done by humans. This could lead to a decrease in the demand for skills in these areas. On the other hand, AI is not as good as humans at creative and problem-solving tasks. This could lead to an increased demand for skills in these areas. As AI continues to develop, it is important for workers to be able to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies. This could lead to an increased demand for lifelong learning opportunities. Overall, the impact of AI on the future of work is likely to be mixed. There will be some job losses, but there will also be new jobs created. The key will be to ensure that workers are prepared for the changes that AI will bring. Let me know in the comments what other ways you think AI will impact the workforce, or if you've already been impacted by this fast rising technology.